Dear students, how are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty God. I am well too. I am well by the physically but not mentally because I always think of you, your immeasurable losses of education. You also losses your teachers, schools, in your friends, classmates, everything. Above all, we are grateful to God because we are free from COVID 19 by this situation. Our educative governments are also thinking of your lessons. For this, they started different online schools on different places. So, in these situations, we also arranged online schools from Nolda high schools. So we offered all of you to join our Nolda online schools and look this class. In our previous class, we discussed about different rules of narrations, changing narrations from direct to indirect. So, in our previous class, we know if we want to change a speech from direct to indirect, at first we about to know changes of tenses, changes of expressions of times and place, changes of pronouns, changes of vocative case, using reporting verbs and using of that. So for all continuous today we are all discussed but we about a sentence from direct to indirect. So let's we try to solve this problem. Look at the blackboard. Here I write down a direct speech. Now we try to solve a direct speech from direct to indirect. What are you doing now, Rashid? I said. What are you doing now, Rashid? I said. I am watching an interesting program on television. Here it is very important to look out subject and predicate. What are you doing now, Rashid? I said. I said. देखना subject के I. ताले I said. ताले this sentence is interrogative sentence. I said. Subject is I. ताले I. If a sentence is interrogative sentence, reporting verb asked. ताले I asked. I asked. Object. তাহলে object কি রাশেদ তাহলে who is object রাশেদ তাহলে I asked রাশেদ I asked রাশেদ relative pronouns what তাহলে I asked রাশেদ what are you are তাহলে রিপোর্টিং স্পিচের object কার সাথে চেঞ্জ হবে অবজেক্ট ইজ চেঞ্জ ফ্রম রিপোর্টিং ভার্বের সাবজেক্ট ইউ সেকেন্ড পারসন রিপোর্টিং ভার্বের অবজেক্ট হচ্ছে দ্যাট আই সেড আই আস্কড রাশেদ হোয়াট ইজ হিয়ার রাশেদ ইজ অবজেক্ট দ্য রিপোর্টিং ভার্বের অবজেক্ট তাহলে what are you doing now তাহলে I asked Rashid what রাশেদের প্রিপোজিশন হচ্ছে কি he তাহলে I asked Rashid what he what are you doing now this sentence is present indefinite tense তাহলে this sentence why if the sentence is present indefinite tense this sentence is changed from past indefinite তাহলে what he subject was what he was doing what he was doing now is sensed from them. তাহলে I asked Rashid what he was doing then. তাহলে I asked Rashid what he was doing then. So I am watching an interesting program on television. So I asked Rashid what he was doing then. I am watching an interesting program on television. Here subject is Rashid. Rashid replied. Rashid replied. Rashid replied that I am watching an interesting program on television. This sentence is present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense is sensed from past indefinite. Then Rashid replied that. Subject Rashid. Rashid's pronoun he. Then Rashid replied that he was watching. Rashid replied that he was watching. Watching an interesting program on television. Here we noticed Rashid replied that subject he, Rashid থেকে he, Rashid replied that he was. I am watching an interesting program on television. This sentence is present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense is sensed from past indefinite. That he was watching an interesting program on television. Aren't you wasting your time? Look at this sentence. Aren't you wasting your time? Here, what is subject and object? Are you wasting your time? Who asked you these questions? Are you wasting your time? I. Here, I is subject. I asked. What is I is subject? I are subject. I asked. I asked. Here we know এখানে আমরা asked একবার বসাইছি এজন্য আমরা again asked কথাটা ব্যবহার করতে হবে যদি দুইবার জিজ্ঞাসা করার ক্ষেত্রে আমরা again কথাটা ব্যবহার করতে পারি I again asked are you wasting your time I again asked him who is him Rashid তাহলে I again asked him aren't you wasting your time present past indefinite এখানে প্রশ্ন করতেছে যদি প্রশ্ন করা হয় তাহলে উত্তর যদি yes তো তাহলে আমাদেরকে কি আসবে if তাহলে I again asked him if এবার সাবজেক্ট aren't you I again asked him if he সাবজেক্ট হিসেবে আসবে কি he এই I again asked him him এই অ্যানসার আসে I again asked him if he aren't you present indefinite sensed past indefinite sense past indefinite he was negative not তাহলে I again asked him if he was not watching your is sensed him watching his time then I again asked him if he was not watching his time no I do not think so he said who is he Rashid who is he Rashid তাহলে he no যদি কোনো সেন্টেন্স নো থাকে নো পরিবর্তে আমরা মানে রিপ্লাইড ইন দা নেগেটিভ তাহলে he replied in the negative that he replied in the negative and said, sorry, he replied in the negative and said, he replied in the negative and said, now that, he replied in the negative and said that I don't think so. I don't think so. This sentence, present tense, present indefinite, change হয়ে যাবে কি past indefinite. তাহলে he replied in the negative and said that he do not থেকে যাবে কি did not. He did not think so. সোটা চেঞ্জ হয়ে যাবে he did not think so. তাহলে remember, too much watching on TV makes people lazy. Remember, too much watching TV makes people lazy. I, subject, I told him. আমি তাকে বললাম। Remember, too much watching on TV makes people lazy. This sentence is imperative sentence. তাহলে I told him, to plus infinitive, to. Remember, তাহলে I told him to remember. আমি তাকে বললাম I told him to remember. নিয়ম অনুসারে that. তাহলে I told him to remember that too much watching of TV makes people lazy. That বাকি অংশটা বসে যাবে too much watching TV, too much watching TV makes people lazy. Again, we noticed our blackboard. What are you doing now, Rashid? I said. Then I asked Rashid what he was doing then. I am watching an interesting program on television. Then Rashid replied that he was watching an interesting program on television. Aren't you watching your time? I again asked him if he was not watching his time. No, I did not think so. He replied in the negative and said that he did not think so. Remember, too much watching on TV makes people lazy. I told him to remember that too much watching TV makes people lazy. তো আমরা এভাবে আমরা একটা স্পিচ নারেশনকে ডাইরেক্ট থেকে ইনডাইরেক্ট করতে পারি। আমাদের এর জন্য আমাদের যে নিয়মগুলো আছে, চেঞ্জেস অফ সেন্টেন্সেস, চেঞ্জেস অফ প্রোনাউন্স, চেঞ্জেস অফ এক্সপ্রেশনস অ্যান্ড প্লেস, চেঞ্জেস অফ ভোকেটিভ কেস, ইউজেস অফ রিপোর্টিং ভার্বস, ইউজ অফ দ্যাটস অ্যান্ড আদার্স ইনক্লুডস, এগুলো আমাদের ভালোভাবে শিখতে হবে। তো তোমরা সবাই বাড়িতে এগুলো ভালো করে শিখবে। আশা করি তোমরা বাড়িতে ন্যারেশন করবার নিয়মগুলো ভালোভাবে শিখে নেবে। পরবর্তী ক্লাসে আমরা আবারও ন্যারেশন নিয়ে দেখা হবে, এই প্রত্যাশায় সবাইকে ধন্যবাদ জানিয়ে শেষ করছি। সবাই ভালো থেকো, সুস্থ থেকো। থ্যাংক ইউ অল, গুড বাই।